Welcome to the NDU Support Center. In this video, we will walk through the process of joining two or more AV classrooms into a single course, class, or meeting. Note, for best results, all classrooms to be joined should be using the same collaboration tool. This means all joined classrooms should either be connecting via Microsoft Teams or all classrooms should be connecting via Blackboard. Users and moderators should not join classrooms by operating cross-platform by combining Teams and Blackboard sessions. Note, for the sake of this instruction, we will refer to the primary classroom as Classroom A and will refer to subsequent joined classrooms as Classroom B. There are two primary options or methods for joining classrooms. Option 1 is for the moderator or organizer of Classroom A to schedule a meeting or class and send the invitation to the organizer or moderator of Classroom B. Both classrooms will join at the scheduled time. Option 2 is for Classroom A to start a session and invite Classroom B into their live session. This can also be used for inviting more guests into a live session, such as other classrooms, guest speakers, and presenters. We'll start with option 1, scheduling classrooms to join. Once the collaboration platform is selected, proceed to scheduling a new session on that respective tool. Scheduling for joining classrooms is done the same as scheduling any online meeting. When scheduling a class or session for Classroom A, be sure to invite the organizer or moderator for Classroom B. In other words, make sure to invite the person who will be logging into the Room PC for Classroom B. The organizer of each classroom will log into the Room PC of each respective classroom using their NDU NEIS credentials. Start the AV equipment via the Crestron device. If you need help with this section, more detailed instructions can be found in the series of AV startup videos available in the NDU Support Center. If using Teams to join classrooms, double-click on the Teams icon on the desktop of the Room PC. Navigate to the calendar view and join the desired Teams meeting. Alternatively, you can join a Teams meeting by selecting Join from the Outlook calendar or meeting invite. If using Blackboard to join classrooms, use the Chrome browser located on the desktop of the Room PC, log into Blackboard, and navigate to the desired course room to join. Like with Teams, you can alternatively join Blackboard session by selecting the guest link in the Outlook invite. Note, you may need to copy and paste the guest link in the Chrome browser for best results. For both Teams and Blackboard, once the meeting or class is joined, all functions of the class will be displayed on the AV equipment of all classrooms joining. The key is to join the class from the Room PC. For unscheduled sessions or for joining classrooms on the fly, it may be helpful to invite another classroom or participant to join the live session while in progress. If using Teams, the organizer for Classroom A will direct call the organizer of Classroom B. Select the participants icon on the top right of the screen. Under Participants, type in the name or email of the user who is logged into the Room PC for Classroom B. Hover over their name and select Request to Join. This will call the other user in Classroom B. When the organizer in Classroom B answers, they will be connected to the meeting, which will then be displayed on the AV equipment. Classroom A and Classroom B are now joined. For joining classrooms or adding guests on the fly using Blackboard, the moderator for Classroom A will email a guest link to the moderator of Classroom B or desired guest. Navigate to the event details and copy the guest link. The moderator for Classroom A will now email the organizer for Classroom B. The organizer for Classroom B will select the guest link from their email on the Room PC and will join the live session. Classroom A and Classroom B are now joined. Note: when joining a Blackboard meeting via a guest link, the guest may not have moderator privileges by default. The moderator for Classroom A can elevate the organizer of Classroom B to moderator or presenter status if needed to share content from Classroom B to Classroom A. Thanks for watching. If you need any help, please reach out to the NDU Service Desk at 202-685-3824.